Welcome back to Advice Hour, where we turn financial flops into wins. Today, we're uncovering 14 things poor people waste money on. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Number 1. Credit cards. They're like financial dynamite, handy in a pinch. But those high interest rates can blow up your budget. Always aim to pay off your balance each month to avoid those explosive charges. Number 2. Glam and Beautification. We all want to look fabulous, but splurging on high-end beauty products can drain your bank account faster than you can say contour. Instead, try budget-friendly dupes and DIY hacks to keep your glam game strong without going broke. Number 3. Impulse purchases. Ever bought something just because it looked cool at the checkout? Yeah, me too. Next time, give yourself a 24-hour cooling-off period before buying non-essentials. Your wallet will thank you. Number 4. Food waste. Overbuying groceries only to watch them rot is like tossing money straight into the trash. Meal planning and sticking to a shopping list can help you save those precious dollars. Number 5. Miracle diets, weird fitness products, and teleshopping. Don't fall for those late-night gimmicks promising instant abs or magical weight loss. Stick to proven health methods. They're cheaper and actually work. Number 6. Lucky charms or spiritual items. Spending on superstitious trinkets might make you feel lucky, but it won't make your bank account any richer. Invest in something that brings real value to your life. Number 7. Health. It's vital to take care of yourself, but avoid overpaying for non-essential supplements and treatments. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise. Your body and budget will be better for it. Number 8. Games and in-app purchases. Spending on video games and in-app goodies can add up fast. Set a strict entertainment budget and stick to it, so you don't end up spending real money on virtual items. Number 9. Latest tech. We all love shiny new gadgets, but constantly upgrading can break the bank. Ask yourself if you really need that new device, or if your current one still gets the job done. Number 10. Balling in the club. Nightlife can be a blast, but those drinks and cover charges can empty your wallet fast. Opt for a fun night in or look for happy hour deals to keep your social life and finances in balance. Number 11. Gambling. The thrill of a potential win is tempting, but the odds are rarely in your favor. Save your money and find other ways to enjoy yourself without risking your hard-earned cash. Number 12. Smoking and vaping. Besides being bad for your health, these habits are costly. Quitting can save you a ton of money and improve your well-being. Win-win. Number 13. Your bank. Avoid unnecessary fees by choosing the right bank account. Watch out for overdraft charges, ATM fees, and monthly maintenance fees. They're like financial vampires. Number 14. Your taxes. Overpaying due to lack of tax knowledge is common. Educate yourself or hire a pro to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. And there you have it, 14 things poor people waste money on. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on saving money and boosting your financial health. Thanks for watching and see you next time.